how to re-download TikTok. So if you want to re-download TikTok after ban, then what you need to do is just follow this video. First, you need to open up your Google Play Store on your Android, or if you're using your iPhone, you can go with your App Store. So I'll just simply go with my App Store. Now you need to go with search and search for TikTok. Once you've searched for TikTok, you'll find the application. If you have your application, you can go in and download it. If you cannot find TikTok, it may not be available in your country. The second step is to uninstall the application. If TikTok is not working on your phone, or if you've been banned, then you can just simply go and uninstall your app and then restart your phone, then install TikTok again, then your problem might be solved. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can use the TikTok website option. If you still cannot install TikTok, then no problem. You can use TikTok on your browser. You just have to open up your browser. On your browser, you can search for www.tiktok.com. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, tap on Not Now, and you'll be able to use TikTok on your browser if you don't have your application. Now, if your account has been banned, you don't need to create a new account. Instead, you can follow these steps to appeal. You can open up your TikTok and go with the report problem section. And from the report a problem section, you can just appeal for a report or just submit a ticket that you want your account back. Or the last option is there are various websites available in the Google. You can go there and download it, but make sure that it's a legal website, and it's better not to download from any unofficial website. Don't use any VPN or no fake apps or no third-party downloads. These can hack your phone or get you banned forever. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.